Its LED touchscreen display, its sleek white finish, and 360-degree cylindrical design make Levoit's H133 Tower HEPA air purifier stand out from the competition. But there's more to this air purifier than meets the eye. A lot more. Its efficient 3-stage filtration system starts with a fine preliminary filter. Small airborne bacteria are trapped by the true HEPA filter. The activated carbon filter eliminates pet odors and other household odors. The top-grade engine design creates an air vortex